Good morning, children. Hope you all are doing good. In the previous class, we have read lesson number 4. Hope you all have understood. And in today's class, we will be doing its reader exercise. So take out page number 30 of your term reader and be ready. Yes, children, open your term readers, page number 30. Okay, we will be writing today's date first. Today is 8 December 2020. Now we will answer this orally. When do you see a rainbow in the sky? Usually we see a rainbow on a cloudy day. No. On a rainy day? Yes. Or on a rainy day when sun comes out. Okay, it's the correct answer. On a rainy day we see a rainbow, and after sun comes out we often see a rainbow. Okay, children, now we will take the correct options. Hina wants to paint the flowers in her garden with the dash. What is the correct answer? How she painted her flowers in the garden? Colors of the rainbow or colors in the paint box? The correct answer is colors from the rainbow. Okay, so you will be taking A1. Next one is, how do the flowers become beautiful? How did the flowers become beautiful? Hina washes the flowers. Hina paints the flowers. What is the correct answer, children? Hina paints the flowers. So you will be ticking in the B box. What is the name of Hina's cat? What was the name? Tina or Tino? The name of her cat is Tino. So you will be ticking B1. Now go to the next page. We will match all the colors. Okay, children. First one is violet. Where is violet? Violet is this. It is a flower, children. We have to match it to violet color. Now next one is indigo. Where is indigo? Yes, indigo is dark blue. So you will match it to a watch. Then blue. You have a blue cap here, so you will match it to blue. Green, a leaf is green over here, so you will match it to this. Yellow, you have to match it to the yellow sun. Then next, orange. Here glasses are orange. Okay, now red. Red is on top a red rose. Okay, in this way you will be doing the matching. Now turn to the next page. We are learning a new grammar part. He, she, it, I. These are called pronouns. Pronouns are the words used in the place of nouns, children. What are nouns? Naming words are called nouns. Name of a person, place, animal and thing. Okay, children. Now in place of those words, in place of nouns, we use pronouns. First we will read this example. You will understand. This is Hina. Hina is a girl. So we use she for Hina. Yes, she is looking out of her window. Okay, now here she is used in place of Hina. Okay, because Hina is a girl. If it is a boy, we use he. Okay, if it is a boy, we use he. And if it is a thing or animal, we use it. Okay, we use he in place of a male naming word. We use she in place of a female naming word. Okay, and we use I when we talk about ourselves. Yes, if we talk about ourselves, we use I, children, and we use it for animals and things. Both the things we use it, children. We cannot use it for male or female. For boy and a girl, we cannot use it and I. We have to use he in place of male and she for female. Here in our example, Hina is the female and we are using she for Hina. Now let us look some more examples so to understand it better. Now dash am Hina. Okay, this girl is talking about her, so she is talking about herself. So here we use I am Hina. Hina is a girl. Dash is 6 years old. So Hina is a girl, so we use she here. Aman is a boy. Dash is 6 years old. Aman is a boy, so we use he. Okay. Aman has a pet dog. Now here dog is there. So what we use? We use it loves to play with Aman. Okay. We are talking about dog in this sentence, not about Aman. We are talking about a dog. Okay. So we use it in this sentence. Now we have some of fill in the blanks. We will try to do it by ourselves. Now we are going to use I, she, it or he. Dash am Parag. Now here am, it is talking about it's herself or himself. This is the name of a person, Parag. Parag is a name of the boy. Okay, it's a name of a male. Okay, but here it is starting with am dash am Parag. Okay, so we will be starting with I am Parag. Okay, Pawan is a good singer. Dash sings sweetly. Pawan is a male name. Okay, he's a boy. So what we will be writing? I, she, it or he. He is a boy, so we will be writing he sings sweetly. Okay, children. Now this is Mrs. Gupta. Dash is a teacher. Who is this? This is Mrs. Gupta. Mrs. Gupta means she's a girl. So we will be writing SHE, she. Okay. Now this is a rainbow. Dash has 7 colors. Now in this sentence we have a thing. Rainbow is a thing. So we will be writing it for thing. Okay, it has 7 colors. Yes, children, open your English classworks so that we can write the exercise in our classwork also. So here we will be writing the date 8th December 2020. I hope you have understood. To make it more clear, we will be writing in the classwork. So today we have learned about pronoun. Pronoun are the words used in the place of nouns, children. Okay, let's see some more examples here. Dash am Parag. So here he is talking about himself. So we will be starting with the sentence with I. This is a giraffe. Dash is very tall. Giraffe is the animal here, and as I said you, for animals and things we use it. So it is very tall. We cannot say he is tall. It's a giraffe, so we say it is very tall. Now next sentence, Raj is sleeping. Dash is tired. Raj is a boy or girl? Raj is a boy, so we use he for Raj. Okay, he is tired. Sita is a good girl. Dash is my friend. Sita is a good girl. In the sentence only it's there that Sita is a girl. So we write she for her. Okay, it is ending here and the new sentence is starting. So we will begin with the capital letter SHE. She. I also want you to tell you that you have to start the sentence with the capital letter, children, as I see still many mistakes you all are doing. So be very careful when you start a sentence. You should begin with the capital letter SHE. She is my friend. Sita is a girl, so we have written SHE. She is my friend. So for today's homework, you have to do the reader exercise and the pronouns, fill in the blanks in the classwork. Hope I am clear. Do your work neatly and send it in the group. Thank you, children. See you in the next class.